I think the fact that we are alive is the biggest blessing that the God can give us. But the fact of the matter is, what have we done in our life? And the things that we do. I know all of us do special things in our life, but what we do we articulate for the next generation? Do we tell that story to other people to fire up their imagination and make them believe that any dream that you get in your life is a reality? Because if that dream is what you convert, then it becomes a reality. And that's what happened to me with Sunburn. 7 years ago, 8 years ago, I had no idea about electronic dance music. I'd never understood the power of music. I had no idea. I watched a movie called Invictus, where Morgan Freeman plays Nelson Mandela. And in that story, if you remember, Nelson Mandela from jail did not go to parliament. He used rugby to transform the entire nation of South Africa. Then he said a statement, said, sports has the power to change the world. I believe music has the power to make a social difference to India. Music, not electronic, rock, hip-hop, Bollywood, Sufi, classical, any kind of music can unite souls and allow people to become friends in a neutral environment. And that's why Sunburn was born. And electronic dance music has become famous in India only because it has no lyrics. It has no shabd, no lyrics. And India is a strange country. I call it the United States of India. You go from Delhi to Bangalore to Bombay, different language, different food, different style of dressing. So I think Sunburn has hit the nail on the head. It's uniting the entire nation. In 7 years, we have done 2,400 events across the country. And that's why I felt, okay, look, someday I will die. I may walk out from here and a bus may hit me. And then who will tell the story of Sunburn? And I felt that I must articulate the whole journey. So I wrote this book, Sunburn, The True Story. So every young person in this country, all of us, you, me, can get inspired that a country like India can create a festival like Sunburn, which is now in the top 9 festivals of the world. We are in the top 5 festivals of electronic dance music in the world. We are Asia's #1 festival. And India has created entertainment properties like IPL and Sunburn. So this is to fire up your imagination, that if you're dreaming to do something, stop fucking thinking, go and do it. Because this happened, it's a reality. And tomorrow Hyderabad is going to have 10,000 people partying to Sunburn. That's the way life should be.
What are the companies stored for? Like, you are planning a lot of concerts and even you are going, coming to Hyderabad again. Like, actually, what's the plan?
No, I think, like I said to you, that Sunburn happens in 78 cities in India. So Sunburn happens in Ludhiana, Chandigarh, Kolhapur, Raipur, Bangalore, Guwahati, Bombay, Bangalore, Goa, whatever. So idea is that I think, like I said to you, that music has the power to unite people socially. And that's the reason I want young people to get out of their homes and unite through music. So Sunburn's mission is not about just get there out and party, but no. It's actually to make a social difference through music. And I think we've achieved that. And like I said to you, we can do great parties, entertain people, and then what? So the idea of this book is to inspire you to believe that a dream can really become a reality if you actually put your whole muscle behind it. And Hyderabad tomorrow is hosting the Sunburn Arena for the first time. And as I'm told, it's a sold-out gig. 10,000 young people, old people, all are uniting in Hyderabad to party. I think this is life.
Who is going to participate tomorrow?
Yeah, the interesting part is that tomorrow you have Afrojack, which is one of the hottest DJs in the world with his own lineup. But the opening acts are Hyderabadi DJs. And that is what it's all about. So tomorrow you'll have 2 Hyderabad local talents opening the show. And I think that is how you unite the world of music. There are DJs that are coming from Holland, Germany, and then you got Indian. So you're just basically, uniting different cultures and art forms. Yes, sir. Celebrate.